It's perfect. Hello, I'm Chili. Yeah, I just kinda made that name for myself, lol. I'm still in Bloxburg right now, but I'm about to move to Brookhaven. Honestly, I just wanna switch things up, meet new people, and see what is Brookhaven. Sorry, I'm nervous. Bloxburg's been cool. Yeah, it's cool. It's a nice place. But I think it's time for something fresh. I'm making this video so everyone knows who I am before I get there. Kinda like a heads up that I'm coming and ready to start this new journey. Right now, I'm actually packing. Look at these boxes. I'm gonna put stuff there. It's yeah, yeah. Right now, yes. Um, sorry, I'm nervous. Yeah, so yeah, that's me. So you wanna see me packing? Okay, let's go. Okay, one box. Oh, okay, put here. More stuff. Okay, so all done here. Next room. I'm back. Look, I'm done packing. Here's my home without things. Yeah. Okay. No things. I packed it all up. My room. Let's see my room. There. No things. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm just gonna, yeah. Okay, so I'm done packing. Let's go to, let's go ride the car to go there. Woo! Okay, guys, let's start this car going. Oh, this is fast. Finally in Brookhaven! Yay! Ay, oh, what's this? Hello, officer.
ID and registration, please.
Here you go.
You can go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! Oh wait, I just committed a crime. Okay, I'm going to my house. Finally at my new home. Yeah. Whoa, this is nice. House to don't mind them. It's just my neighbors. Don't mind them. This is nice. Whoa, yo, the bed is nice. The kitchen, the bath. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna dance when I'm at the bathroom, lol. Okay, and here I need to unpack. So I you wanna watch me unpack? Okay, let's do a video for let's do a yeah video. Okay. So guys, I'm finally done unpacking. Look at this cute flower. Oh yes. Do you guys like my setup? I have three computers, three yes, and this is for my thumbnails. So let's go explore the town with my car. Oh, finally, the weird neighbors aren't there anymore. Okay, let's go. Like, don't mind my driving. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Whoa, their hospital is great. And their town hall. Oh my gosh, my driving skills. Don't mind me. Oh my. There's town hall. Oh, what is this? Oh, fire station. Bruh, there's no one working. There's cemetery. Let's go to a U-turn. Okay, do a U-turn. Oh, ice cream. Is there someone? Okay, I'll check. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back to check if there's a work. Bro, there wasn't any stuff at the ice cream store. Okay, let's go to Starbucks. My favorite place. Oh my. Where do I go? Okay, here. Starbucks. Starbucks. Why is there a running car there? Okay, let's go to Starbucks. I thought it was Starbucks. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, what can I get you?
Can I get a super matcha latte, please?
That would be $4.99.
Okay, there. Oh my! What the? Okay, thank you. Uh,
Thank you for the car. Get scammed,
no,
bish.
no. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a new car. Oh my gosh, help me! Bro, I need to sue that guy. I'm just gonna find him tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna buy a car. Oh, Auto Mall. Wow, a nice name. Okay. Hello, sir.
Hello. Would you like to buy a car?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
I recommend the Lamborghini. It only costs 200,000 bucks. It also has two exhaust, 900 horsepower, and overall it's a very decent car.
Okay, sir, what is that? Why is there a unique?
Hello, sir. Would
Oh,
you like to become? Would you like me to become your personal maid?
no thanks, no thanks. Get out.
Oh hell
Oh
no!
my gosh.
Evacuate!
Yes, come.
Evacuate!
Sir, that was weird. What was that?
I don't know.
Can we resume? Because I really need a
Anyways,
car.
you can either pay on cash or credit.
Is there any
Which would
more
you choose?
colors?
You can choose from black, red, blue, brown, yellow, green, and much more.
I'll just get white. Okay, where do I pay?
Over here.
Okay. How much is it?
200,000 bucks.
Okay, I'll get my card. There. Done.
Okay, payment is successful. Congratulations on your new car. Enjoy and
Yay.
don't crash it. You have a 1 year warranty.
Okay. Can I drive this? Oh. Okay.
That's a display car.
Where's the real car? Wait, I'm just gonna wait
Over here at
here.
the back.
Where? Do I need to wait?
You need to wait at least 1 month before the car is manufactured with your desired color.
W- Bruh, 1 month? 1 day? Can it? 1 day? Can you do 1 day?
I can speed it up to 1 week, but it will um make the car less weak and less perfect.
2 days, 2 days, 2 days. Because I really need it.
Unfortunately, wait. Is that a car?
Should I buy that car?
Actually, it's the right model.
What?
but it has a it has a wait, what do you call that thing again?
Okay, I'll just wait for 1 month. Who's that?
This is the exact car.
Eh,
Who is
oh,
that? Who
oh my.
is that? He's stealing your
Uh,
car.
I'll just get the brand new one for 1 month. Okay, thank you, sir. I'll wait for 1 month. Just text me. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's go now. That was weird. Okay, let's go to our house. Okay, guys, so we're home. I thought Brookhaven was a normal country, but was it? Oh my. Okay, I'm back at the house and I'm excited to release the second episode. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another episode. I mean, yeah, don't miss it. Bye! Finally at oh, bro! Oh my, go.
So crazy
No,
people.
Amora bought that rice. Bought that rice. Bought that rice. No, Wegro. Amora bought that rice. Bought that rice.
Brian,
No,
kaya
Wegro. Amora
sige,
bought that rice. Bought that rice. Oh, Hero. Amora bought that rice. Rice.